Hey there, I'm Daniel, and today we're going to fix a window. Let's get started. Alright, here's the problem. Alright, let's take it apart. Alright, so this is a 2004 Mazda, and your motor assembly may look similar to it, and it shouldn't differ too much from it. So the problem is the motor, so we're going to try to take this out and see. Maybe the plastic gears are broken. At that point we need to get a new motor. Maybe something got dislodged. In that case we'll just realign it and put it back in. So let's get to it. Alright, so the gears are alright, they fit in perfectly, but it's the motor itself. So there's something in here, and it's typical for cars at that age to break down on motors like this because everything inside is made out of plastic instead of metal. It makes the car cheaper because they're saving on parts, but the problem is 15, 18, 20 years later, you have to exchange it. So let's find out if we can get a new one. I doubt we can take this apart to fix it, but let's see what they go for on Advanced Auto Parts or Amazon. Let's go. Alright, so doing some research, we found the motor, but nothing available locally. Also, the motors are about $110. We got a 25% coupon. If you sign up with Advanced Auto Parts, you can probably take advantage of at least 20 or 25%, which is great. It still doesn't help us fixing the car right now. But the research revealed that the front left motor is the same as the rear right motor, and the front right motor is the same as the rear left. So to get it done right now, we're going to cannibalize the other motor. Hopefully it will fit. The window operates perfectly, and we'll do a $0 fix for right now. I mean, who needs to open windows in the back anyways? Fuck the rear passengers. The old one, and here's the new one. Alright, so upon further examination, it is true, this one looks like a brand new motor, barely used. I mean, it's in the rear, and this one is pretty worn out, and that's why probably the internals failed. So the old motor is going to go back in the rear right, and a new motor is going to go in the driver's side door, which you got to use all the time, tolls, drive-through, and make it work for now. In the future, we can always exchange it, but we're not in a rush at this point. So let's pop it back in, let's make it work. Alright, now that everything is installed, it should work just fine. Let's see. Gorgeous, beautiful. So let's put the old motor back into the rear right window. Let's put it all back together. We're done. $0. right, so that was it. This fix cost us $0. We just used our imagination, invented a little bit something. We're able to switch out a good old part for an old part. So get out there, wrench on your car, and cheers.